What is happening, y'all? Listen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time of the day you're watching this, that's not important. What's important is that you're watching this. So thank you very much. Yeah, man. So the elephant in the room is definitely one of my horsepower goals with the Supercharger kit and everything else. And that's what I'm about to discuss with y'all. So I'm PCM is still at HV Tuners. It should be getting shipped back today or tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, by the way. But I think y'all are watching this on a Friday. But nonetheless, man, the PCM should be coming back. If actually it should be getting shipped out today, honestly. I'm gonna call them to see what's going on with that, but I guess that's besides the point. That's secondary to the point of the video. So horsepower goals. Honestly, I'm shooting for 450 horsepower to the wheels. And I know I can do it. I got the setup all ready to do it, just minus the E85 and minus pulleys. And minus the other two mods that still haven't came yet, but I know I can easily crack 450 to the wheels. I know I can do that. So to ballpark it, that's what I'm going for. It's not a big number, it's not a low number, it's like a middle ground. What I'm also going for, well, I'll get to that in a few. What I'm also going to end up doing is I'm actually going to buy a few more things after the Supercharger is on, and like I got the feel for it and how everything operates. I'm like used to it and I got it all down now. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm buying some more goodies, but these goodies are strictly for the engine. As a matter of fact, I mean, I could tell y'all, but I'm going for the pulleys. I'm going for a lightweight pulley. I forget which one it was, but it's two or three different pulleys that I was talking to a guy on Instagram about. So he's pushing a Rep Supercharge 300 too, but his is at 500 to the wheels, but this guy's running an E85 everything. And his boost levels is still not freaking over 13 pounds of boost, if I'm not mistaken. So dude has a great setup, perfect setup actually. So I'm kind of gonna mimic that, but put my own spin on it, of course, because that's what I do, that's me. So yeah, man, 450 to the ground, that's my goal. That's what I'm gonna do, that's what's gonna happen. It is what it is at this point. Go big or go home. And I guess the next elephant in the room is, will I be doing anything else to my car or engine after the Supercharger is on? Man, yes, of course. Yes, as a matter of fact, I kind of just told y'all something, but I'm buying pulleys. And I don't know if I'm going to go the forge route. I don't know yet. But I'm definitely going the pulley route. So, we'll see, man. We'll see. But at any rate, so y'all got the horsepower goals. You got what I'm about to do, or what I'm going to do to the car once the Supercharger is on. I'm trying to think what else, man. For tuning, I'm going to be renting. It's a tuner out in Canada that my homie Aaron deals with, and this guy is legit, like all the way legit. So I'm gonna deal with him for tuning. He's really, really good on Mopars, over 20 years of experience, man. So I'm gonna run with him for all my tuning work and like engine work and stuff like that. If I want to install it myself, because it's still the same process, I'm going to do it all myself and just get it tuned and be good. So yeah, man, just a little bit of dialogue for y'all, man, not to keep y'all out in the shadows and wondering, because I looked at them comments. It's a few of y'all that keep asking what are my horsepower goals, and I mean, there you go, man, there you go. So I'm excited as hell, man. I get this PCM back, and I literally put the PCM back in, put the battery in, and go drive this car to the shop, and it's a done deal. So, but on that note, y'all, man, I'm trying not to overdo the length of these videos because there's no point. But on that note, y'all, listen, man, stay tuned. Y'all stay safe, stay out the way. all that good stuff. Drop a like on the video. Drop a comment below what you thought about the video and everything I said in the video. And lastly, subscribe if you're new, or subscribe if you've been here for a while and just subscribe. Yeah, what are you doing? Just subscribe, man. It costs you nothing, but you gain a lot. But yeah, man, I'm out of here, y'all. I'm about to go to the house, do some stuff around the house. So catch y'all next time, man. I'm out.